Hey there, coffee lovers. Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com, and today I'm here reviewing the Lelit Bianca espresso machine. Gonna go over its features and specs, show you this machine in action, and help you decide if this is the right machine for you. So let's get started. Alright, so here it is from Lelit. This is the Bianca espresso machine. This is a dual boiler machine, meaning you can brew and steam at the same time. Also comes with the versatility of having a reservoir that is 2.5 liters, so a significant size, as well as the ability to be directly plumbed in. Inside this machine, we also have a nice rotary pump, which means it's going to be quiet and really efficient. And this will also be helpful in terms of pre-infusion, especially if you have your machine directly plumbed in. You can really take full advantage of having that nice rotary pump inside. This machine is also an E61 group, meaning that it's just going to consistently push water in and out, keeping your group head nice and warm and ready to brew. This machine also offers PID temperature control, so this is really going to hone in on your temperature within 1 degree Celsius and never go too far beyond or too low. This machine also offers a screw on the bottom that you can adjust that controls the bars of pressure when extracting. Another major exciting feature about this is going to be this flow pressure control on the top here. You can use this to really fine tune your espresso. On the two sides over here, we have these really nice, beautiful knobs that control both your hot water and your steaming. Some nice things about that: the hot water has a very nice, consistent flow, doesn't spray around too much, and is also fully articulating, so you can move it in and out. And it's going to be double walled, so you won't actually burn yourself. The same with the steam wand. This is double walled as well, so it's going to be cool to the touch. A really great feature. And it also comes with a 2 or 4 hole steam tip to get the most out of your steaming. We also have these really nice pressure gauges that monitor your bars of pressure when extracting and also within your steam tank. This is going to be great for profiling your shots. You can watch them as you're extracting and really control that flow rate and pressure. On the other side over here is the Lelit Control Center, the LCC. This just shows you your temperature, your shot timer, and a bunch of other menu options, which we'll go over in just a bit. It's a nice LCD display and comes with a plus and minus, so a very simple, soft touch interface there. Your extraction is controlled by this nice lever here, which gives you just a really nice tactile experience. All of these have these really nice walnut finishes, which is just a really nice, high profile, very classy look. This machine with everything inside of it is actually a pretty slim and narrow design and really not too long, though you do want to take into account its length when adding on that extra reservoir onto the back. So inside here, these dual boilers, we have one that is going to be a 1.5 liter steam tank and the other one is an 800 milliliter brew tank. They both heat up very quickly, and it's going to ensure you always are able to brew and steam almost on demand. Lelit also includes this really nice bottomless portafilter, as well as another one in the box that you can use as a double. Once again, these walnut accents provide a really nice touch and look really classy on your counters. Also included in your accessories package, in addition to those 2 portafilters, is going to be this really nice solid tamper. The thing that's really important about this is it's perfectly measured, so it's going to fit directly into your portafilter basket and won't leave that annoying ring on the outside when tamping. You also get a really nice brush for cleaning, blind portafilter, and a bunch of other really great accessories. This really just showcases the attention to detail that went into designing this machine and the accessories. So in addition to all of those really great key features, including your PID control, the really great flow meter up top, your dual gauges, this machine also comes with a really nice eco mode / energy saver mode. So what this is going to do is essentially power off your steam tank and lower your brew pressure until you're ready to steam again. You just touch a button and it heats up much quicker than it would if it were starting cold. This is going to be really great and saves you energy in between brewing shots in the morning. Lelit also offers an auto off feature. If you'd like to engage that, your machine will automatically turn off. Also within this menu down in the LCC, you can control your steam pressure and temperature, which is a really great feature as well. So this machine really offers you maximum control over your shots of espresso, steaming, etc. Another important thing to note is that the Lelit Bianca operates off your standard 15 amp plug, so no need to go through any extra plugs, converters, or rewiring your house. The cup warmer up top here is a great feature and keeps your vessels nice and warm and is very spacious. So there are the key features and specs of this machine. Let's actually brew a shot of espresso, steam some milk, and show you all the different features down below. Alright, so let's actually pull a shot of espresso and show you the Bianca in action. I've already got tamped an 18-gram shot of espresso using our Malkonig X54 all-around home grinder, also available on our website. So I've already just adjusted the pressure a little bit lower. We are running about 10 bars of pressure, which is a nice thing to do when you get this machine out of the box. Maybe do a quarter turn on that screw, which will help adjust your pressure a little bit finer. So what I'm going to be doing is setting the flow to about halfway to do a pre-infusion and lifting that bar to actuate that. Once we get to our desired amount of pre-infusion, we will ramp up all the way to full pressure, which should equal out to just about 9 bars. All the while you can monitor your temperature, and there will also be a shot timer popping up there as well. Over here we also have the 2 gauges, and up top you have your bars of pressure coming out of the group head. So let's give that a go, starting with our pre-infusion. At the halfway mark there. Lifting up all the way. After about 10 seconds, we're going to ramp up to full pressure. Evening out to just about 9 bars there. And disengaging. So we ran about 35 seconds. I might do a little bit of a coarser grind next time, but this shot looks amazing. We've got a really nice crema there. This really looks like a nice shot. All right, now let's show you what steaming looks like. This really nice double-walled insulated steam wand is going to be really cool to the touch, and also the articulating wand is really helpful to get a whole range of motion there. All right, so I do have the 2-hole steam tip here, so it will be a little bit slower, but I find that's kind of nice when steaming microfoam to get a little more control. So once again, that will be a little bit faster if you install the 4-hole steam tip, and you'll get a little more precision out of it, but not a bad job with the 2-hole tip. Some really nice, beautiful, clean milk texture there from the Lelit Bianca. And lastly, I just wanted to show you this really nice articulating, double-walled, cool touch hot water valve here. Really nice and steady and doesn't spray around too much. Let's just take you through the menu really fast and show you the different options there. So your main screen here is going to show you your brew temperature, and then if you hold down the plus, it will show you the steam temperature there, which is 255 right now. Pressing the minus button will flip between the different options on our menu, which include but are not limited to changing your temperature here, changing your steam temperature, turning onto an eco mode, changing between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and controlling your automatic pre-infusion or pre-wetting here. And then we also have this mode that will auto shut off your machine, as well as some nice counters here at the end. These buttons are really nice and soft touch here, though you do need to get used to the system of using this and using the plus sign to activate your setting, and then using the plus and minus while it's still blinking to control that. Otherwise it'll reset and you can keep flipping through the menu. Above that is your really simple on and off power button. That's just a simple press. So now let's go over who is this machine designed for and who is going to benefit from using it the most. This is definitely a prosumer espresso machine from Lelit, offering a wide range of features that's going to give you an amazing cup of coffee. You really get the most control out of all of these different manual features, but who really will enjoy using this machine? Given that this is going to be a manual lever and manual flow paddle control, this is going to be designed for someone who really likes getting hands-on and technical with their espresso. Though that's not to say that's the only type of consumer that can use this product. So long as you leave your flow meter all the way on and you just use the actuator on the side, this machine is also going to be really great if you just want a quick cup of coffee in the morning. So this machine is going to work great for your prosumer user, whether you want a quick cup of coffee or whether you want to really get scientific and hone in on your espresso. Though I will say the person who will benefit the most is someone who's familiar with all of these different features and likes to play with their espresso while actually brewing it. That being said, as long as you are interested and have the time, learning all of the features of this machine is a true joy, and it's really fun to work with, making you feel like you're an expert barista. You really get some precision here, being able to monitor those gauges and actually control the flow while brewing, as well as that nice temperature control if you wanted to do different espresso profiles, say going from a light, medium to dark roast. You can change your temperature and flow profiles to suit. This is really an expert option that you might only see at a really nice cafe. So overall, this is a really amazing machine, a really great build quality, lots of amazing features packed in, as well as these really great accessories that Lelit includes at no extra charge. So for me, this is really worth the money and is a really great investment. So to recap, I really think this machine is made for a wide range of people who want to get a little bit more out of their espresso in the mornings. Though if you're someone who wants just a really quick automatic cup of coffee with a touch of the button, this is not going to be quite that machine for you, as it's more hands-on, but it provides a really great tactile experience and looks stunning on a countertop. So I hope I've helped shed some light on this wonderful machine from Lelit Bianca. If you have any more questions, head on over to our website, majestycoffee.com. Our customer support team is standing by via live chat and phone to help you make the right decision. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time.